edit it out. I won't edit it out. Hey guys, Guy in here. I'm going to talk to you about a quick little trick to keep your gear off the ground. So, number one thing when you're working with anything that's super valuable or something that you don't want to destroy just by leaving it in the mud and the dirt and whatnot. So, take care of your gear, it'll take care of you. Some rope, a piece of wood real quick. You're going to run it over. You're just going to do a quick little hitch. So cross, feed it up underneath that little cross, and pull it tight. Cool, nice little hitch. Should stay. You're going to feed it around the object that you're going to lash it to. So sweet, I have it right here. I'm going to do another little hitch real quick. Bam. Feed it back through. Bad job, but we'll figure it out. There we go. Feed it back through. I have some excess, so I'm just going to dress it up a little. Cool. Super sweet. You're going to want it kind of with a little bit of slack so you can adjust it. So you don't have it sagging down super far or sliding up and down the tree. Drive your kit. Slide one shoulder on. Slide the other shoulder on. Boom. Your gear's up out of the mud. Thanks for supporting the channel.